Alright all, like the title suggests, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get from your Windows 10 desktop into safe mode. Let me roll that intro and I'll show you how to get this done. Alright all, like I said in the intro and the title suggests, today I'm going to be showing you how to get from Windows 10 desktop into safe mode on your computer. What is safe mode? Safe mode just only allows the essential programs to start up that you need to operate your system. So your display drivers, your Ethernet drivers, all these other drivers don't engage. You know, it's just the basic operating system at the minimum. You know, the bare minimum that the computer needs to operate. There's a lot of programs out there why you would want to use this. Like in an upcoming video, I'm going to be using a little program that's called DDU. It's Display Driver Uninstaller. They actually recommend to run that in safe mode. And basically they want you to run it in safe mode because it don't have to stop the display drivers that are already installed in your system to remove them. And basically it's for when you upgrade your video card. I also used to use it a lot whenever I'd get a customer system in and had real bad viruses or whatnot on it. I used to get into safe mode to stop them from starting up when the computer started up, so I could get rid of them a lot easier. And when you clean a system, you know, if you run, like back in the day, you used to run like Larry Utilities or something like that, it'd speed up the process a lot faster because all this stuff wasn't starting. So there's a few reasons why you'd want to. But if you're watching this video and you clicked on this video, I'm sure that you got your own reasons for wanting to get into safe mode. So let me roll the video and I'll show you how to get into safe mode. And then I'll be back with my conclusion at the end, like I always do. Alright guys, here we are at Windows 10 desktop here. And to get into safe mode, go up here to settings. You go down here to where it says update and security. And you go down here to recovery. Go to advanced startup, restart now, click on that. Alright, then you go down here to troubleshooting, left click on that. Advanced options, double click on that. Double click on that, it says startup settings. You click on that one. Then you hit restart. And then when you get into here, you have a bunch of options. You have the enable debugging, you have enable boot logging, you have enable low resolution video, you have enable safe mode with networking, enable safe mode with command prompt, disable driver signature enforcement, disable early launch anti-malware protection, disable automatic restart after failure. Press F10 for more options. You press enter to return to your operating system. In this video, we're going to go into safe mode, so you can either hit number 4 or number 5 on your keypad, whichever one you need. I usually go with 4 because everything I usually do in here is on a USB flash drive. So we're going to hit number 4 and let it reboot again. Alright guys, and here we are, we're in safe mode. How do you know that you're in safe mode? Well, you get this little get help box that pops up for number 1. Number 2, you notice the screen is black instead of your regular background. And all 4 corners it says safe mode. All 4 corners of it says safe mode in white on a black background. It sticks out pretty good. And also up at the very top it'll say Microsoft, Windows, and then the build number and the release date and all that you have installed in your system. Then if you want to get out of safe mode, whenever you get done doing what you need to do, just go down here and restart your system, and it should boot right back into Windows 10 as normal. And that's pretty well it, guys. There you go. You're back on your regular desktop. Let me get reset up, and I'll finish up the video here for you. Alright, all. And that's how you get from Windows 10 desktop into safe mode. There's other ways you can get into safe mode before it even starts the computer up, if you need to do it that way. But a lot of the programs and whatnot where you need to get into safe mode, it's alright to go into your desktop then get into safe mode, like when you use DDU. But that's the way you do it. That's the way you get from your Windows 10 desktop into your safe mode. Like I said, you know, there's different reasons why you'd want to do this. And of course, if you clicked on the video, I'm sure you got your own reasons why you need to do this. Leave in the comments below why you need to do this and give me some ideas why people still use safe mode. Now, a lot of people know about safe mode. A lot of people don't even know what it even does. But if you're interested in safe mode, because someone recommends you do something in safe mode, or a program recommends you to do something in safe mode, you know, this is the way you do it. If you like tech and you're on a budget, you like this video, you like the content, make sure you give me thumbs up. If not, give me thumbs down. There's that comment section. I go through them every weekend on my live show here on Saturday morning, 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time in the United States. There's also links in the description below if you'd like to come over and follow me on Instagram and Twitter on them two social media platforms. I don't post a whole lot on there, so I won't kill your inbox. But it usually gives you ideas of videos that's coming up or whatnot. Or sometimes I'll put a video up there. I'll put the link to a video up there. That way you can watch it before it goes live here on YouTube. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that lonely little subscribe button and notification bell where you're notified next time I put out a video or I go live here on YouTube. And with all that being said, you all have a good day. And I'll see you in the next video or live stream.